Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. This will be a review and shave of the brand new Parker Semi-Slant Safety Razor. Here's a look at it. It actually comes in 3 different finishes, similar to the Parker variant, which is the adjustable Parker razor. This one comes in the satin chrome, like this, satin chrome handle. Also graphite handle, which is like a dark gray blackish color. And it also comes in the rose gold, which is right here. I'll remove that from the box. And if you pick these up at ShaveNation.com. If you get one of these, not on the head side, but on the handle side, you open it up, and right inside will be, neatly tucked, a free pack of Parker double-edged razor blades. So let's remove this. Here's exactly how it comes in this box. With the razor, there goes the blades. Here we go. Here's a look at the blades. Parker, they are called Premium Platinum 5 stainless steel blades right there. Here's a look at the razor, the rose gold. So there's a nice look at it. I'm not sure if I can hold up all 3 of these at the same time. Kind of like a little bit of a fanning out this way. There's your look at them right there. The razor that I'll use to perform the shave today is the satin finish. That's the one they sent me first, so that's the one I was able to shave with before these other ones came in stock. So that's the one I used. All 3 razors are the same. They weigh in at approximately 3.1 ounces or 88 grams. And then the overall length from top to bottom is 4.25 inches or 108 millimeters. And it's got a real nice feel to it. It's a hefty razor. It feels great in the hand. You can see the checkered knurled handle here, and then there's a band here where you can put one of your fingers for easy grip, and the balance point is right up here near the top, which is very nice, right there. The materials, it is solid brass with a textured electroplated finish. Now it does have the skewed head, twisted. They're saying that this razor is going to be not as aggressive as your typical slant razor, so that's why they call it the semi-slant. As you can see, it's not the rounded off slant head, but it's a little bit squared off. You can notice that. Let's disassemble. It's a 3-piece razor, as you can see. And here's the top cap. It's got the threaded portion right there. And then the 2 pins where it locks into the safety bar. The safety bar is skewed, as you can see. It's got a nice little twist to it. Not as severe as some other slant bar razors, but it does. And it has grooves on both bars. So either way you flip it, the grooves will be there. Orientation wise, there's no orientation marks on this razor. So it will fit this way. Or you can flip it 180 the other way and it fits as well. Of course you can't flip it upside down. That would be ridiculous. Let's talk about the handle. The handle has very nice checkered knurling on it, and for easy grip, even with soapy fingers or shaving cream on your fingers, this should be pretty easy to grip. And there is a groove down here, a little slot right where you can hold it, which adds a little more grip down toward the bottom, which is very nice. No logo on the bottom, just a flat end cap there. But it is a solid piece, feels like stainless steel. Let me open up this package of Parker blades and break one of these bad boys out. Individually wrapped in paper, and it doesn't have any glue, which is nice. So it comes out real nice from the paper. Sometimes they're glued in, they're pretty tight, and it's a little difficult to get the blades out. We will insert this blade. You can see, let's turn it the right way so you can see the Parker logo on there. And right over the center post and the 2 pins, that's what it looks like. And then we'll insert the safety bar. Lastly, install the handle. Let's see what that reveal looks like. You can tell that it is twisted and it looks very good. You can see that it's very equidistant on both sides. It seems even throughout. So there's a look at it with the blade installed. Okay. I'm going to do a full-on Parasso shave today. So we're going to use the Menthol and Eucalyptus It gives you a nice sting and tingle and a very nice eucalyptus scent in the morning, which is a nice wake-up call. I will also use Proraso Pre-Shave. I don't use it that often, but today I will. And then the aftershave is going to be the same. We'll just layer everything up. Proraso, menthol, and eucalyptus as well. Exactly the same. So let's warm the face. You can see I've got a nice heavy beard growth, several days here. So we'll see how this razor performs. Let's get to work. All right, the face is warm. Just gonna soak my brush. This is the Shave Nation. It's a hot lava resin brush, fine badger. Really soft tips on this brush. Just gonna soak it in this cup, this marble cup, just for a few seconds to saturate all the bristles. Try not to spill it all over the floor, like so. And then here's what it looks like. Shake out the bulk of the water, like that. And we are gonna go right into, let's do our pre-shave. This is the Proraso Menthol and Eucalyptus. So with your face still wet, what you'll do is just take some of this out like that in the fingertips and then massage that right in directly into the beard. Excellent scent. This is it's a strong eucalyptus menthol scent. So if you're into that, you'll really enjoy this. Tingles when it goes on. And anything you can put on your beard prior to the shaving cream going on will help soften it and help that blade glide across easier, especially if you have sensitive skin. This will be good for you. Okay, dry the fingers from that. Here's the menthol and eucalyptus shaving soap right there and the brush. We'll remove the cap. Start swirling right into the tub. I won't use a bowl, we'll just face lather it up today. My face is really tingling. When you leave that pre-shave on for a minute or so, you can really see it, feel it soaking in, and you can feel those tingles. The tingles from some movie with Freddie Prinze. I can't remember the name of it, but that's where it's from. All right, we'll start lathering up here. One side to the other. Right side to the left side. Across the chin and cheeks, and then mustache area. This Proraso, very easy to lather. Excellent shaving cream. It's been around since the early 1900s, so it's time tested. A favorite of many professional barbers worldwide. What happens now? Clear the runways. All right. So we can see those sideburns. Pick up the razor. We will temper it under the hot water just to warm it up, and I'll go slow on the right side here. First time shaving with this razor, so I don't know how it's going to be. We'll see. Nice audible feedback. Ah, very nice. Look at that. Remove my beard growth very, very easily. Left side, just cut that sideburn. Very nice. I really can hear the skewing of the blade, kind of makes it sound a little bit tinny, which is fine. You get some feedback from it. Stubble comes right off. Just taking it slow. Down the chin area. Let's rinse that. You can see all that stubble coming off of there. Now the mustache area. I thought it'd be more difficult, but it's really not. The way it's twisted, you can still get under the nose pretty easily. Nice. Quick rinse. All right, look at that. After the first pass. Now right now you just feel around, and if you felt smooth enough, you could stop, but let's perform one more pass. We'll go, first pass was with the grain, north to south. We'll go across the grain. Oh, now you can really feel that tingle because the beardage is gone and it's going directly on the skin. So it's really a nice cold, if you like cold, this gives you the cold, the icy feel. So figure 8 method, infinity maneuver, nice. Clear the runways again. It's a nice slick shaving cream, the Parker blade. I think it's kind of similar to a derby, so you're gonna put it maybe slightly below an Astra blade, not as sharp as a feather, down there somewhere. Okay, I'll go against the grain on my neck. Very comfortable holding it, no chance of dropping it, easy to grip with this checkered knurling on the barrel, on the handle. Look at that, excellent. Very nice. Let's go across the grain now, from the ear to the nose. Just nice and smooth. Excellent shave. Now backhand it this way. Just a little clean up. And then under the nose. You can get right into the under the nose there, philtrum area. All right, let's final rinse that. First hot water, then cold. Now I'll take my Shave Nation wide stick alum block and under cold water. Just glide that all about. Nice finish to the shave. If you got any little nicks, this will seal them off. And it's a natural astringent. It's a stone. It comes from the ground, alum. Can also be used for a deodorant. Natural. Get a little bit of a sting. Maybe you went too close, irritated your skin a bit, but I'm not feeling any sting whatsoever. And as you can see, check it out, no nicks, no cuts. Really nice and smooth. All around, excellent shaving razor. Baby smooth. And a nice feel too. So just let that soak in, that alum, for 10, 20, 30 seconds. Rinse that off. Now I'll pat the face dry. And just while it's slightly damp, you want to take your Menthol and Eucalyptus Parasso and just open the cap on that. Just drop a little bit into the fingertips. This is a little bit thicker balm, which is good. It gives you a little protection throughout the day. As you can see, it doesn't pour out easily. You have to kind of work on it a bit. So about that much. And then massage that in the fingertips. Also that Menthol Eucalyptus scent. Don't get it in your eyes, just under your eyes and neck, chin, mustache area. Excellent shave provided by this Semi-Slant Parker. Just dry it off a little bit. Here's a final look at it, the Parker Semi-Slant razor. Excellent shaving razor. It seems very good quality. Everything fits together tightly, nice tolerances on it, good balance to it. You can see that it's up there right where you grip it. That's where the balance point is. Very comfortable shaving razor. And as you can see, excellent shave provided. No nicks, no cuts. Very smooth, baby smooth like glass. Here's a look at the front. Really nice. Here's a final look at all three razors. the graphite, the rose gold, and the satin finish. You see them all together, up close and personal. If you want to pick any one of these razors up, just go to shavenation.com, enter Semi-Slant in the box, and they'll pop right up. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day.